today, for Christmas, I got the Ipod Touch. Okay, yeah. It is the 8 gig model. Okay. I wasn't in town for Christmas, so I didn't actually this is not the real opening, so I set everything up as best I could. And on the Ipod Touch, there's a screen protector that's kind of crappy because it has bubbles on it, and only small though. So I set everything up in the box as best I could, but my Ipod Touch is already already works and stuff, already jailbroken. So I'll definitely be showing you how to do that on 2.1. All sorts of cool stuff. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, open it up. So the lid is like really tough. Okay, so there's the actual iPod. You can't really see it. Okay, I'll show you what I have mods and stuff on. And okay, put this there for now. Inside have the Apple earbuds. I like this a lot. They're really good, I think. Okay, you have the Apple charger thing, the iPod dock, the little cool stand, which a lot of people don't actually know how to use. I'll show you that in a sec. And they designed by Apple in California packet. And inside there's just stickers. I already used one on a case, manuals, and a cleaning cloth. Okay. It's really not that hard. How to use them? Here's the iPod. I'll get this out. See, and here's the back. iPod. It is the... You can't see that, never mind. But, so, nice and shiny. Alright, and yay, it is already workable. And see. It's a wave. Yeah, see, that's pretty cool. I'll show you how to do that. Future video. Okay, and how you do the stand is like this. Like the stand. See, there's this little niche there. It's like that. Well, you face that like that. Okay, and then you just stick the iPod on it. And down into it, and it stands up. So it's, yeah, it's not actually that hard. No moving parts on the stand. So that's it, pretty much. Bye. Thanks for watching. Check out my videos on how to jailbreak and stuff. So. What was that?